pangalan mo? What is your problem? Anong problema mo? What time is it? Anong oras na? What did you say? Anong sinabi mo? What is happening? Anong nangyayari? What is your plan? Anong plano mo? What do you think? Ano sa tingin mo? What else do you buy? Ano pang binili mo? What is that? Ano yan? What do you want? Anong gusto mo? What's the reason? Anong dahilan? Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? Where are my toys? Saan ang mga laruan ko? Where would you like to eat? Saan mo gustong kumain? Where is my bag? Saan ang bag ko? Where is he? Saan na siya? Where are you from? Saan ka nagmula? Where have you been? Saan ka nang galing? Where is my book? Saan ang aklat ko? Where are you going? Saan ka pupunta? Where's the bank? Saan ang bangko? Where are you? Saan ba kayo? Where exactly? Saan mismo? Where's the canteen? Saan ang kantina? When do you study? Kailan ka mag-aaral? When will you go? Kailan ka alis? When are you free? Kailan ka libre? When do you go to bed? Kailan ka matutulog? When is your birthday? Kailan ang iyong kaarawan? When will you come? Kailan ka darating? When can I see you? Kailan kita makikita? When is your party? Kailan ang iyong party? When are we going? Sa kailan tayo pupunta? When is our field trip? Kailan ang field trip natin? Why are you laughing? Bakit ka tumatawa? Why will you go to the park? Bakit ka pupunta sa park? Why are you sad? Bakit ka malungkot? Why did you following us? Bakit ka mo kami sinusundan? Why are you mad at me? Bakit ka galit sa akin? Why are you happy? Bakit ka masaya? Why are you so early? Bakit ka maaga? Why are you here? Bakit ka nandito? Why are you crying? Bakit ka umiiyak? Why did it happen? Bakit nangyari yun? Why did you go to Cebu? Bakit ka nagpunta sa Cebu?